Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need minimal setup, a supported Windows PC, current GPU drivers, and Steam running. First, sign into Steam and locate Wallpaper Engine in the store or your library. Once found, click Install, pick the drive and folder, and start the download. Progress appears in Steam. While it installs, make sure Windows power settings allow background apps and that any full-screen games are configured not to block overlays. This prepares your system, so installation finishes without permission or performance hiccups. Once Wallpaper Engine opens, use the built-in browser to pick a wallpaper from the workshop or import your own file or folder. You subscribe to workshop items to download them. Imported files appear under Local. Next, assign the wallpaper to one or multiple monitors using the monitor selector and tweak quality and FPS to balance visuals versus GPU cost. Make sure to enable Audio Visualizer if the wallpaper uses sound. If you plan multiple monitors, set offsets and scaling so elements align correctly. Finalize by saving your collection and enabling Start with Windows if you want the wallpaper restored on boot. Once done, test with a few applications and a game to confirm it pauses or minimizes resource use as configured. If wallpapers stutter or appear blank, make sure Wallpaper Engine has admin rights. Check that the discrete GPU is used for the app on laptops, and add it to any antivirus or overlay exclusion lists. If problems persist, restart Steam and Wallpaper Engine and reapply the wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.